In this lesson, I'll show you how to make a really unique dynamic overlay custom image chart, beautiful and creative. Here is the data. The first value is the Tesla stock price on the 1st of January 2022. The second value is the analyst stock price prediction of the 1st of January 2023. And the third value is the percentage difference between these two values. The 100% is supporting data. We need to create a column chart that reflects this percentage and then copy it as an image or as a picture and replace it underneath the thermometer here and underneath the image here. So let's get started. First, we need to create a bar chart. Select these two percentage amounts. From the Insert tab, go to Column Charts and select the first column chart. Move it somewhere there. Now right-click on it to change chart type. And use this one with the different colors. The next step is to change the series overlap percentage so one column to cover the other. Right-click on the orange column and select Format Data Series. From the Series Option button, change the series overlap to 100%. Close the pane. The total percentage overlap the difference percentage. Now right-click again on the column, select Data, and from the Series Data Source dialog box, move down the percentage difference to change the overlay. Click OK. Let's change the color of the percentage total. Right-click, Format Data Series, and from Fill and Line, Solid Color. And let's change it to light blue. Also change this one to a dark blue. Add the dark blue color as a border. So now if we change the stock price to 700, this will change to 61%. Undo. Notice the y-axis. The maximum bound is 120%. I need to fix this. Right-click on the vertical axis, Format Axis, and change the maximum bound to 1. Close the Format Axis pane. Delete the title of the chart and the grid lines. Delete also the legend. Delete the vertical axis. Also, remove the fill and the outline of the chart. Finally, reduce the gap width from the Format Data Series. Set the percentage to 0. I don't want any gap at all. Now I want you to take a copy of this chart and paste it here. Exact same duplication. What I really want to do here is to tune the color of the bar itself, the bottom of the chart itself. So let's make this, for example, light green and dark green. The screen and the borderline to green as well. It's time to insert our thermometer and thumbs up images. You can use anything you choose. Just keep in mind that no matter what type of graphic you're using, make sure that it has some sort of solid opaque background and some transparent area where you want the chart to shine through from behind. Move the chart behind the thermometer image. It's going to be important to drag it over and align the 0 and 100% marks with the thermometer icon. I'll do it manually. Great. Make sure to group these two objects, the chart and the thermometer. The last thing I need to do is to just fill in this little bulb here at the bottom, which is actually below 0%. From the Insert tab, Shapes, select the oval. Change the color in the line to dark blue. Group again these two shapes. Let's test it. Change the stock price and see the thermometer. Now how cool is that? I'll quickly follow the same steps for the thumbs up image. There you go. If you want to create a beautiful pictograph in Excel, check out this video tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.